We have Jake Perrine right here. We're talking about his new books. He has two of them so far. And Jake, the first book we'd like to talk about is Producing Music with Ableton Live. So, can you tell me a little bit about your concept when you're writing the book, kind of the approach you took and what you were trying to get across to people?
Absolutely. As a teacher, I've worked with a lot of different kinds of textbooks and seen a lot of different ways that people might learn a particular topic. And I've also read a lot of the different books out there about Ableton Live, and they seem to be extensions of the manual describing different functions in a more elaborate way than perhaps the manual is. But I find that people learn by doing more often than not. So I really wanted to create a series of books that focused specifically on learning the functions of the program in a linear fashion while you build a track, while you actually are doing something with the program that might actually be interesting to you. So the whole piece is really a linear trip through the entire program while building a track at the same time.
That's good. And there's a DVD that comes with this book too, right? The DVD-ROM. And how does that work with the text?
There's three different features of the DVD-ROM. There's first a bunch of Ableton Live sets that will allow you to jump in at any chapter in the book and be able to just pick up wherever the book, wherever you turn in the book, you'd be able to pick up from a little lesson that you're currently reading and see the track in progress at that point. There's a folder full of samples that are used to build this track, and a lot of them are used to build the track, and there's some extra ones in there as well, so you can play around with those. And there's also a folder of third-party software demos and freeware of different plugins and soft synths that I like and I use, and some of those are reviewed in the back of the book as well. And those are all there for using and enjoying.
That's really cool. Tell me a little bit about your background with Ableton. How did you come about starting to use it, and what kind of things do you use it for now?
I've used Live for so many different things. So many different things. I'm a DJ, so I'll use it for taking my own tracks out and remixing them on the fly. You have 16 different tracks playing, and you can mute and solo and switch and do aux sends and add and subtract different effects and all that on the fly, and that's totally different than DJing with vinyl, for example. I've used it for sound design for theater, so triggering different cues and different microphones to come in and out at different points in the performance. I've used it for installations, having MIDI triggers in a room that will make different samples and lights and sounds play. So it's incredibly versatile.
It's a really cool book. It's relatively new, and we're really proud of it at Hal Leonard, and you've done a great job on it. So,
Thanks.
very good.